Okay, so this is the Flywoo Lite kit. It's a white lens kit. What we're gonna do today is we're gonna change the coaxial cable to a longer one, and then we're going to modify it using this aluminium casing from Flywoo. We're gonna apply this thermal compound on the board, and then we're going to tighten it up everything so that it can fit into my 5-inch quad. So let's get started. As you can see here, the coaxial cable originally for the Lite it's quite short. It's really short. It's also come with this rubber grommet. Okay, I'm gonna keep it in for a while now. Okay, they do provide the lens cap as well, and also 18mm mod for the lens. Extra screws for the lens mod. Okay, keep this aside. So we start from untangle this coaxial cables. I'm gonna remove it. Okay, it's removed. The coaxial cable is removed. So for this mod here, it's actually a casing and it's tightened with a screw. 2 screw here, 2 screw here. It's 03 and 04 compatible for the frames. So we remove the screw first. Keep it here. Try to open it up slowly. It's friction fit, so you can try to open it up slowly. Okay, now it come off. Okay, so this mod they actually come with this glue. You can see here there's a glue here on the board, and also to secure the coaxial cable. So we're trying to remove the glue first. I try to scrap it off using this. I think cutter is suitable. It's a bit difficult to remove. Try to do it slowly. Okay, now it came off. We try to remove the excess glue first. Okay, this shorter one, we keep it for whoop lah. Okay, this is a shorter one. We keep it for whoop. Okay, remove the excess glue here. Try not to destroy the chips, because the glue is quite strong here. You can see the glue is quite strong here. Okay, we're done removing. Now we change the longer one. This is 150mm from Flywoo as well. I got it from Flywoo as well, together with the kits. Okay, these cables are this coaxial. You have to secure it on this main board. So which means I have to remove it from here also. You can see this main board here. There's a glue. There's a glue here as well. So I have to remove this as well. Try to do it slowly, eh? Try to scrap it off with your fingernails as well. It works as well if you have longer nails. So it works for me here. I try to scrap it off. Okay, so it works. Yeah, so it works. Okay, so the main board is here. We're trying to remove these coaxial cables slowly. Okay, do it slowly, eh? Okay, now it came off finally. Wow, really struggling. So we put this back, a new one. Try to put a new one in. We try to use it this way, the T one for this. Here, make sure you put it in the correct position. Do it slowly, everything have to be done slowly because the cable is quite small. So fit it in, okay, so they fit in, so it fit in as well. Okay, so now we try to fit it in here. Okay, it clicks. So this clicks ready. We try to apply some this B7000 glue because I heard that it's easily to tear off the main board. So we try to apply some of the B7000 to secure it. Okay. Apply on the same area. Okay. One side done. The other side here, we on the same area. Okay, both done. So we let it to dry first and we come back afterwards.
A few moments later.
Okay, so the adhesive here, it's dry up. So now what we're trying to do is we put the cover back. Okay, we put back the covers. Make sure the cable's going through this hole. We try to slot it in, friction fit. Okay, it fit in. Put back the screw. The other two. Turn up. Okay, camera done. Now it's air unit. Air unit, we're trying to put thermal paste on this aluminium flywoo casing. Okay, we need the screw. The screw is provided inside. So we have this 4-pack of screw. Okay, so the shortest one and the middle one and the longest one. So this is the one, slightly in between one and the length. Okay, so this is the one that we need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also, they give one extra. Okay, we took them out. Now we're trying to apply the thermal paste first, but now I see there's a sticker here, the DJI OFO stickers. Let's see whether we can try to remove it. Sticker somewhere here first. Okay, and let's see whether it will be touching. It's not touching, It's not touching. You can see here there's an arrow pointing here. There's for USB type C, so it should be here, this way. Okay, let's try. USB type C is here. So once we fit everything, there will be empty gaps in between. You can see there's an empty gap in between. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to apply the thermal paste on the chip here. Okay. I'm not using the original thermal paste from the Flywoo. I use this. This is a PC computer chips thermal paste. Sit on it. Okay, so now it's sit on it. Now we're trying to do it on this side as well. You can see here there's this racing platform here on aluminium casing. You can see here the racing platform. So we're going to put it on a racing platform as well. try to not put it too much, right? If not, it'll be like coming up from the side. So I'm doing it a bit over. Try to scoop it off. Okay, so make sure it's not over. Okay, so I have to point it into the correct direction. Maybe it's USB type C here, so we'll be facing this way. Cable is here, facing this way. Try to fit it in. Okay, goes in. And try to put the screw in as well. 2, 3, 4. Goes in, tighten the screws, tighten the screws, tighten. Okay, so all done, So see whether you want to keep these stickers or not. Normally we try to put it maybe bottom of the fly air unit. See whether it can be whole or not. Try it. Oh, it's not. Oh, it's not. Maybe you keep it on the box. Stick it on the box. Okay, so that's it for the upgrade.